wizard.
All right, good morning, everyone. Hope you're all going to have a great day today. Hope you're going to have a fantastic day. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. I just got back from my little vacation. Me and the wife just celebrated our 4-year wedding anniversary. Been together for 7, married for 4. We'll celebrate 8 years together May of next year. And we went up to Lake Claiborne up there in Hot Springs, Arkansas. Had a good time. We're back. We're back though. I love my wife so much, man. She supports me in everything I do. She supports me in everything I do, and just man, I'm married to my best friend. Shout out to my wife. Happy anniversary, baby. I love you. So, let's check out Bitcoin here on the 10-minute money flow. Is way out there. It looks like we're about to come down. We've already lost all our major VWAPs right here. You see we got our daily or previous day. Both our weekly VWAPs we have lost. And now we're starting to lose the 5-day moving average, which is this black line. We have come down to a little local Fibonacci here, a little golden pocket that we're trying to hold on to, but we can see that VWAP getting ready to cross over, and we're going to continue to the downside more than likely. If we are going to build momentum, we can look for a bounce back to our daily VWAP from probably this 786. But if we're not going to hold that 786, we do have this monthly VWAP right underneath us at 115,000. I missed the move, or moved to 10, 15 minute, one of those two with the daily VWAP and money flow. Man, it just works out every time, but I wasn't able to. I took a lot of profit out to fund the vacation, but I wasn't able to catch this one. It would have been a great one. You get that strong hike and a chic handle open right here, and just ride it down. Taking profits along the whole way. So now we're gonna wait. To try to get above the daily VWAP, confirmed as support with money flow coming in. We're gonna wait. Let's actually look at the 15-minute money flow still coming out. We see the curve to the downside on that VWAP as well. Looks like we have plenty of room. The same as the 10-minute is looking. All this action underneath this 60 line, all these green dots. Seems like we're going to come lower as we start to build momentum and money flow starts to come back into the market. That's more than likely what this 15 minutes going to do. We can see the curve to the downside. RSIs are red and gapped here. The same on the 20-minute. Look at the 1 hour. Looks like a curve is starting to form to the downside on the 1 hour. See what this money flow is doing. It's shooting straight up at the moment. So we could bounce. This could be a level we bounce from. This little golden pocket could take us back up. We'd have to get back above our weekly. If we're going to continue bullish, then it'll be important to get back above this weekly VWAP at 118.4. Our opening candles above that. 4-hour red dot money flow coming out. Money flow is just pointing straight down on these lower time frames. Looks like it's going to curve to the downside on the 2-hour as well. VWAP's underneath the zero line, a good bit underneath the zero line. We have room to ebb and flow underneath it, maybe even reject off of it. 12-hour money flows pretty thick, and that money flow's coming up on the daily, and looks like we're gonna try to print a green dot here as this VWAP starts to cross over this zero line. On the weekly, I want to say there was an inward curve to the downside on the VWAP though. Same as the monthly, we can see this VWAP starting to come down, getting close to the zero line, but she could bounce. We've seen her bounce off the zero line before, like right here. Not really on the zero line, but close enough. There's a good one. Whoop, right back up. And we could see the same thing here, but that monthly VWAP is also starting to curve to the downside, and this will be all bear divs off of this. 1, 2, 3, boom, 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 boom. But I'll just keep an eye on that the next 8 days. So these would be the levels I'm watching if we are if we are going to go higher, we need to get above our weekly VWAP to start with. We'll have to get back above our weekly VWAP, and then we'll talk about the daily VWAP at 119K. And if we can get above the daily VWAP, I mean, we have the potential to go up to all-time highs. What's our highest right now? Like 123, 124, 123 something, 123.2. We have the potential, if we can break out, we have the potential to maybe get above and see all-time highs today. But I believe there's more downside. See that money flow? Money flow's coming out. VWAP and money flow are working against each other. We could see this money flow start to curve up as we bounce from this golden pocket, though. But if we're not going to hold the golden pocket, if we're not going to hold this 786, I'd look for the monthly. The monthly VWAP would make sense as our next stop if we are going to crash down. We need to confirm this monthly as support if we're going to continue pumping. It would be a big confirmation of support if we're going to continue pumping to new all-time highs. Now, if we're going to lose that monthly, we got some lower price targets around 110K if we're losing the monthly. But these are the levels I'm watching. I hope all of you have a great day. God bless you all. I'm out.